Hi guys, how are you? Hope you all are well. Today in this video, I will tell you about a website that you may not have heard of before. This website is such that friends you can easily earn 100 or $200 from this website. If you guys want to earn 100 to $200 on this website, then you guys have to work on this website and do your hard work. I tell you guys about this website and give all the information. You guys have to create your account on this website and earn money by working with them. Friends, this website is very amazing website. You people spend time all day on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, etc. What money do you people get on it? So you guys work on it and earn money. Creating your account on this website is not a difficult task, just like any other website. Just like you create your Gmail account, you have to create an account by writing all your information on it. This is the name of the website. I take you to NordVPN, the best online VPN service for speed and security. Everybody wins on our birthday get 2 years of NordVPN with 63% off plus gift. Stay safe online with the fastest VPN. Detect malware during download. Protect your password and files. Get your gift. Here's how it works. Buy NordVPN's 2 year plan with a 63% discount. Get a random gift, 3 months or 1 year of extra subscription time automatically added on top of the plan you bought. Get NordVPN plus gift. Enjoy. Check your email to find out which gift you snatched. Our newest feature protects you from ad trackers and malware. Take your cyber security to the next level with NordVPN's threat protection feature. You don't need to cannot to a VPN server for it to work. Once you enable it in the setting, threat protection will always make your browsing suffer faster and smoother without tracking your action online. Don't worry about downloading malware, dealing with trackers and intrusive ads, or visiting a malicious URL. Threat protection will neutralize these cyber threats before they can do any real damage to your device or data. What is a VPN? IP lookup. What is my IP? Social responsibility, customer stories, press area, become a partner, then click earn with NordVPN partnership program. We have several high paying partner program. Pick one that's right for you and earn up to 100% share. Spread the world as a NordVPN affiliate. Grab your camera, earn on YouTube or Twitch, build an empire as a NordVPN reseller. Gather your tribe in with Discord. Become a NordVPN student ambassador. Dance and earn as a TikTok partner. Tell stories and earn on Telegram. Launch your brand with your resource. Spread the world as a NordVPN affiliate. Now I have told you guys everything I know about it. I have shared it with you guys. Now you guys have to do your job on this website to earn money and create your account and work together with them. Join now, earn money by programming one of the best VPN servers. Become an affiliate. Start earning money. Company name, website address, city name, country, state, zip code, phone number. This website relies on the use of keys to store information on your computer. I acknowledge and accept the use of cookies. My job was to tell you guys about this website that I brought to you guys. Your combination with our payout models, our commission rates are one of the best in the industry. What you earn depends on the subscription plan ordered by each customer you refer. My job was to tell you guys about this website that I brought to you guys. If you guys liked this video of mine, please like and share it.